you ate your chicken nuggets. You already ate them. Here, eat your gravy. Got gravy on your eyebrow. Let's see what the winds were. So this was a weird day. I mean, normally we don't get like that crazy gust in the middle. It may be high in the morning and drop off. Oh, it's 22 right now. We had almost no wind when we got here, and now we're getting 25 for the gust, 23 for the sustain. But we had some sort of little weird thing that came through, and then it lulled off. It died right as I was trying to go out in the water, and then it picked up again. And then at first I couldn't make any headway. I kept going downwind. I couldn't tack back upwind. And then the wind started picking up, and I started noticing I was tacking back upwind, and then it was getting crazy. Where I let my bar all the way out, and it was still pulling me. And then Zach kept pulling me in. Yeah, it went from fucking nothing to all out. We went from fog this morning. Actually, when we first got here, we had a little bit of sunlight. Thought I was going to have my sunglasses. And then fog rolled in, couldn't see anything. And then winds died off. Our kites were barely staying up in the air.
45 minutes.
Yeah, and then it picked up, got crazy right as I launched his 19 meter. So he's got this big 19 meter fly surfer. And it was, I was having trouble getting it off the ground. And then it went, from the moment I launched it, it just steadily picked up. And then I was trying to walk back to the car, and I couldn't. I just had to land it where it was at because it was dragging my butt all over the place.
What was it, Wes?
40 pounds. Trying to make it back to the car.
Let's do a jump. Let's do a jump, Wes.
I won't